I was playing around with sounds the other day in my kitchen when I started wondering, what does success sound like? You might say like this, or this. And of course, society, our parents, and all of our friends will pressure us into adopting their vision of success. We can wind up at the end of our lives having achieved great success in the eyes of others, but having totally failed ourselves in the process. Each of us needs to define success for ourselves and then have the courage to go get it. We also need to remember that true success, personal success, can sometimes sound just like this.